Guys, we received these USB-C to USB adapters, but these are, well, let me take them out of the box first. Some really nice adapters because they come on U-shape like this. Okay, I'll take the other one. Okay, so you can make it more comfortable when you're playing connected to your main console and use them like, well, your Steam Deck or even your laptop connected, and you can transfer data more easily. Here is the user guide, and as you can see, they're really small and really practical to use them to transfer data, well, in a quick way. And it also has 100 watts fast charging speed, so it's really nice. So when you're laying your bed, something like that, it's more comfortable to grab your devices, your cell phone, anything you need to connect with these USB to USB Type-C adapters. So they're really nice, and as you can see, they're quite small, so they are fantastic.